Hello, my name is Carl Burr. As the auto collision instructor here at Perryville Area Career and Technology Center, I teach 11th and 12th grade high school students who are interested in auto collision repair. Here at PACTC, we offer a variety of instructional hands-on programs designed to assist our students in career selection. Some of which are carpentry, engineering, auto service, welding, graphic design, health occupations, digital media, and many more. By now, you may be asking, why mention those other career pathways? Simply because every program PACTC offers requires funding from an ever-decreasing slice of the pie. As you probably already know, there's an increasing void in our national and local workforce. We also understand that many jobs are available. Employers are in constant contact with PACTC instructors and administrators, searching for qualified people they can hire and commit to. Partnerships with CREF and our local business affiliates is vital to assist in funding. As technology evolves on a daily basis, the need for updated equipment has grown at a pace that even repair shops have difficulty keeping up with. Without partnerships and funding assistance, it will be impossible to teach our students. With these things in mind, please enjoy our video presentation. From Perryville Area Career and Technology Center, our auto collision students, staff, administrators, and myself, thank you.